Welcome back. It's been a cool minute. I am your host, Q Moore, also known as Chinchilla Q of Rocker Productions. Hit rockerproductionstm.org, the website. Ladies and gents, I'm about to bring back to you guys Leonardo AI on the iPhone. Using the iPhone 13 Pro Max before I get the iPhone Air next month and whatnot. And so I want to show you guys a quick video, and I had done an update in such a cool minute. It's been a crazy busy seasons this year. And I said seasons with an S for a reason. And part of the reason being is because laptop, the Android with the Galaxy S24 and the iPhone, memory is almost becoming non-existent for what I need to do, especially on the laptop. So I have not created an updated video for Leonardo AI. For those of you guys don't know, Leonardo AI is one of the AI video AI generators that you get do imaging and all the rest of good fun stuff. You now can do video. As you see here on the main screen. You got the Google Video 3 Fast, you got the Flux Enclose, you got all the rest of the stuff and whatever. But you got new models on here as well too. You got the Lucid Origin, Lucid Realism, GPT Image, the Flux Context, the Flux Dev, the Flux Snail, Phoenix 9.0, well not 9.0, but 0.9 and 1.0, and a whole lot of other slews of other models and everything that you can use for your AI imaging and stuff. So let's say if I want to create something, right? As you guys can see, you got the canvas editor, the real-time canvas, the image generation. You got now a video generation, which it literally says that you can create any AI type of video per se on here using Leonardo AI. These are your images or other AI images that you can use. And so I'm going to go into this one right here. I'll show you guys what I mean. So let's say I want to create this to be a video, right? I click on my image, go to the video generator right here, hit on that. As soon as it wants to pop up, okay, that's what they need to work on. They fixing the bug on that. So mark that. Let's go. Oh, I got the image right there. So I could type in the prompt, and the prompt is actually, I could just copy and paste a highlight, which is go to the three dots, reuse the prompt here at the top, yada yada, and everything. And then I can go here with actually go to the gear icon to turn off the prompt enhancement AI, put the quality to 7p, keep the video to 16.9. Well, it already got it on there and whatnot. Keep my privacy on there because I got to pay an account, so that means folks won't be taking a look at what I have. I could put a negative prompt on here, which I actually need to grab from here and take a look at the generation and grab my negative. Booyah, click out. Throw that on here so I won't have no misinformation for different things. And now, as I press on the Motion 2.0, I can go to different video generators on here to have this image become a video. Now, Video 3 and Video 3 Fast kind of burns up a whole lot of tokens, so be cautious with that. Motion 1.0 and Motion 2.0 don't burn up a whole lot of tokens of what you guys can use. So like you see, it's 300 for the Motion 2.0. Motion 1.0, 25 tokens, which is not bad. Video 3, 2,500 tokens. Video 3 Fast, 2,000 tokens. So we're going to go with Motion 2.0. Save some tokens. So with this Motion 2.0, you can have controls. The other two for the video, you don't have controls over it. But this one, I can have control for what I want to do. So I can have the image go with a flood background, have the crane go over the head, do a bullet time like the Matrix, super dolly in or crash, zoom out, have the lens crack, have it handheld like you're using the cell phone, robot arm like the Kendrick Lamar Be Humble video and whatnot, super dolly space out, eyes zoomed in, medium zoom in, crash zoom in, disintegration, explosion, tilt up, orbit right, tilt down, orbit left, crane up, dolly right, crane down, dolly out, dolly left, and dolly in. So let's go with dolly in for this one. Let's hit generate. And as we are waiting, as you guys see right here with the line and everything, it's going to have this image become a video. So when it does that, then most definitely we'll have something that we can use. And I use CapCut to put all the pieces and stuff together and whatnot. I will have a video pretty soon on how using Adobe Premiere on your cellular devices in order to do AI imaging. All that's gonna be coming soon. It should have came this year, but this year has actually changed to something else different. So 2026 most definitely be on the lookout. So as we waited for this to upload, give it a few more seconds. And I'm using the iPhone version of this. But the same principles also apply to the Android version, because the Android version of Leonardo AI now also has video and some other presets. So now we click on the video. And this is the image and this is the video part that we got. So you guys should know that AI video is getting to a certain plateau where it's getting much more better. And different platforms now have it. Now let's go with FeelFast. Same thing, keep it an image. Notice I can't use no controls because the model isn't supported. So whatever is going to come from Google type thing that Leonardo AI is using, it's going to have its own version of it. Only thing about Feo, and what I do highly suggest for anybody that does use it, is to learn how to do certain presets for it correctly, especially try to create a full-length video or whatnot. That way you have character consistency, and as well, sometimes Feo would also add lyrics or words to a character, different things of that nature. So do take a look at some tutorials on how to use that, and then most definitely you'll get the hang of it. Google Feel is pretty dope, but I like using Runway ML better because I have more control on what it needs to do. And Runway ML has some dope updates to the platform as well too. So stay tuned for that. Show you guys how to create full-length videos off the iPhone with that pretty soon. And as you can tell, this is a different version of what we did. This actually goes more tough than when I generated. This is dope. Might actually say this for something as well too. So, if you guys have enjoyed this video, let me know. I'm gonna have more coming soon. Don't know when yet. Oh, and also, when you do want to tap out from the video on using Leonardo AI, just click on the video gen part, go back to image gen, and you're right back to generating different images and everything. So with that, thank you guys for tuning in. Catch you guys on the flip side. One love. Peace out. Deuces.